Hello children, I am back with mathematics and today we will see lesson 9 symmetry. Now children, what is given here? Observe the leaf shown alongside. You have to observe this leaf, okay? In the middle there is a vein that runs the full length of the leaf. You can see here. It runs full length of the leaf and there are small lines on it, okay? Now what you have to do is you have to do one activity. Fold the leaf along that vein. Okay. So I am taking a leaf. See. Are you able to see this leaf? Yes. And this line that runs the full length of the leaf in the middle is called vein. Okay. Now I am folding the leaf along the vein. You can see. Yes, you can see. Now what do you see here? When I folded the leaf, what do you see? Are you able to see the second part? Now see, this is the first part and this is the second part. When I am folding the leaf, are you able to see the second part? Yes? No. Now I am taking another leaf. See here. Here also there is a vein and I am folding along that vein. Okay, see here. Now what do you see? In this leaf, the second part is also seen. This is the first part and this is the second part. When I am folding this same way along the vein, okay, you can see the second part also in this. Yes. Now let's do one more activity. Now what do I have? Which shape is this? This is triangle. Okay. Now in the middle I will draw dotted lines. Yes. See here. Dotted line. And now what I will do? I will fold this triangle along the dotted lines. See, this is the first part and this is the second part. When I am folding it along the dotted line, are you able to see this second part? See? Or it is seen as single triangle? Yes? See? You are not able to see the second part. Now here I have one more triangle. See here. Here also I will draw dotted line. See. And after drawing the dotted line, what I will do? I will fold the triangle along the dotted line. You can see. Now what do you see? This is the first part and this is the second part. Here you are able to see both the parts. Yes or no? Yes. Now see the difference. In this triangle, you were not able to see the second part. But in this, you are able to. Yes, children? Yes. Now, what do you understand by this? Now, in this triangle, what happens? What do you understand? One part of the triangle falls exactly on the other part. From this we understand if two parts of a figure made by a line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical about that line. Understood? Children, some of the following figures are symmetrical about the given dotted line and some are not. Okay, observe them carefully. See, some are symmetrical and some are not symmetrical. Determine whether the figures given below are symmetrical about any line or not. Put a tick below the picture if it is symmetrical and across if it is not. First picture is butterfly. When we draw a dotted line in center, it is symmetrical. Now second, number 2. Let's draw a dotted line and see whether it is symmetrical or not. What do you see when we draw a dotted line? Is it symmetrical? No. So in the box we will put a tick or a cross? Cross. See, when on number 2 dotted line is drawn, we can see that both the parts are different. Third figure is hexagon. And when we will draw a dotted line in hexagon, what do we find? We find that both the parts are same. It is symmetrical. So we will put a tick mark. Okay? Understood? Same way children, you have to complete the other figures. Okay? L, is it symmetrical or not? See both the parts. Are they equal? No. So, across. Next is letter X. Okay? And when we draw a dotted line, what do we find out? Both the parts are same. So, we will put a tick mark. Okay? Next is letter H. When we will draw a dotted line, we get that both the parts are same. So, we will put a tick mark. Okay children, so here's a tick mark in the box. Next you will do an activity. For each of the figures below, draw a line along which you would fold the figure to show that if it is symmetrical. Okay children, you will take these figures and you will do an activity to show that these figures are symmetrical. Here, in each of the symmetrical figures given below, color the two symmetrical parts in different colors. Children, we will color half figure in one and half in another, okay? See, rectangle is colored. Same way you will color all the figures given. Understood children? By this we will come to know that all the figures are symmetrical. Okay children? Understood? See here, all the figures are colored. And I hope now you have understood properly about symmetrical figures and not symmetrical figures. Yes children? Thank you.